Hey folks, good morning. We got some work to do this morning. All right, let's see what we can do here. This is the pond. Oh boy, let's get to work. Now I'm gonna do the SQWIB check. We got a car coming. Let's see how he does. It's a really light, fluffy snow. Doing pretty good. Looking good. Let's warm this truck up. Oh man, there's snow everywhere. Oh boy. Well folks, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day like me. Stay safe out there. I just wanted to share my little morning commute with you guys on a snowy day in Philadelphia to Bristol, PA. It's about 10 miles up 95. 95 is not the problem. It's usually the back roads getting there, but this is the light fluffy snow. I don't see any problems. I got my new 4-wheel drive switch installed, so I should be okay with that. Laura has her new to her 2021 Tahoe, so we'll see how that does in the snow. All right, let me go check on Laura, see how she's doing. And I'll be back. All right, folks, we ready to do this? Let's see what we can do. 4-wheel high. We get our seat belts on. We do have new tires on the truck. Well, fairly new. The fronts, I think, are a year and a half old, and the backs are like, I think I replaced them like 6 months ago or something. All right. It's always sunny in Philadelphia. You know, it looks a lot worse than it actually is. I mean, this kind of snow, especially if they plow the back streets like this, it's really not that bad. So, I guess we got about maybe 14 inches in Philly here. And where I'm headed, Industrial Park in Bristol, I think they got about 18 inches up there. Anyhow, let's take our time. There's not going to be many people on the road, so we should be good to go. The truck seems to be doing fine coming up this hill. No slipping. I love it, man. I love this weather. We are going to go out to the main road. We're not going to take the back roads. The back roads can be pretty narrow. Take your time. When I first get in the truck, when weather like this is I'll test my brakes and stuff to see, feel the snow, see how slippery it is. Because I don't have any ABS in this truck. The ABS is fried, and I'm not putting a grand in to fix the ABS. I can rely on my own braking abilities. Yeah, nobody's on the road. This is awesome. Alright, we're gonna make our way down to I-95. No problem there. Visibility is really poor. Alright, we got a guy fishtailing way in front of us. He's all over the place, man. Wow. He almost lost it. Yeah, he fishtailed all the way down here. I really can't see here, so. We look good. So now basically we're in slush. I don't like driving on the slush as much as I like driving on snow or even a wet road. The slush, I feel like you do a little more hydroplaning. I could be wrong, but to me, I don't like driving on the slushy stuff. Okay, looks good. We take this Virgin nice and slow. I don't even know if anybody's going to show up at work, but I'd like to go in and get some stuff taken care of. Because I was off Friday, I was just up the mountains. Yeah, we were thinking about staying another day, but we had the storm coming through, just like last time I was up here. We had the big storm come through. Got to give people plenty of room. Don't be up their ass. You know, people are out here, they're nervous. Start getting up people's butts and stuff. Don't make mistakes. Don't Don't be blowing past people. Alright, good. Looks like parts of cars all over the road already. Another thing is, like, I'm on a 3-lane highway. There's no lines. Not bad. I'm doing a little under 45. And if you're passing people, just take your time. Don't want to freak people out. Nice and easy. Try to be a little respectful. I try to keep my distance away from all vehicles in case they slide. Some make it slower or faster depending on the vehicles around me. Whoa. That's not good. Right down the road there. And like I said, my commute's I think a little over 9 miles. Roughly 9 miles. It's all highway. Right to the industrial park. Problem is, like, the back roads into the future roads. Sometimes they don't plow, and you know, some people are in the medical field. They got to get to work, so even if they got a car that's not good in the snow, they'll try to get to work. See, they have to, and they'll get stuck on the road, and you can't get past them. Then you're stuck. It's not their fault. It's the way things are. So we got 2 miles to our exit. Hey, just stay safe out there, folks. Alright, here's our exit. Give him some room. There we go. So, I don't know when this is supposed to stop. It's, I think it's supposed to snow like this most of the day. I mean, I think in Philly they were calling for 18 inches. Got a guy with his flashers on. He's taking past him nice and slow. Probably scared to death. That little far. I know I would be. But like I said, some people, they have to get to work. And they're like, oh, just stay up. Nah, don't work like that sometimes. So what's going on here? We have a bit of sleep. It's narrow. Goes down to 1 lane. We're going to make this turn nice and easy. And we're coming up to our industrial park here. Coming up to our industrial park entrance. There's like always an accident in this intersection. Always. Okay, I don't even see where to go in it. Okay. Yeah, come on, buddy. You can do it. Yeah, see, I've barely touched the brake and I'm slipping. It's like a sheet of ice. Okay. Now we're in the industrial park. Sure's pretty. You come up intersections too, you gotta look at a 360. You gotta look at the back, you gotta look at the sides, the front, make sure somebody isn't coming up and sliding through the intersection. Or you gotta hit your brakes, make sure someone's not on your ass and they end up in your ass. All right, coming up to our area. Looks like they got this road pretty clear. And let's see if they have. You can't even get in. They don't even have a plow. Not this plow. Are you kidding me? I'm the only person here. Damn. Woohoo! They ain't even plowing here. I don't even know where the road is. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. This is silly. This is silly, folks. Oh man, I don't know where anything, I can't see anything. I gotta go by memory. Okay, let's see what we can do here. This is funny. Okay, this is us here. Here we are. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little ride with me this morning. That was definitely fun. What the hell was that? All right, folks, we ready to do this? Let's see what we can do. 4-wheel high. I must have turned the GoPro on. I was like, what is that noise? Who's talking to me? It was me. Oh, what a dork. Alright, hopefully I get this uploaded for you guys today. Show you my little... Hopefully I get this uploaded for you guys today to show you my little commute into work. Alright, let's do this. Oh my God, they didn't even play out here. Okay. Wow, that's crazy, man. I've never been here where it's not even plowed. It's crazy, isn't it? I don't know if you can tell how deep it is, but I don't know. I would say maybe it's a foot. Okay, let's get up here. Okay, here's the curb. This is funny. Well, folks, I'm gonna call it. Hope you enjoyed this little commute into work with me. I sure as hell did. The SQWIB Shack kicked ass as usual. Well, let's go to work.